Hello and welcome to NextGen DevSecOps AI. If you're looking to learn AI security, DevSecOps, application security, and generative AI through practical hands-on learning, then you are in the right place. On this channel, you will find technical tutorials, project walkthroughs, and real-world implementation designs for students, freshers, working professionals, and security practitioners. Our content is organized into dedicated playlist covering AI security, DevSecOps, application security, and generative AI and RAG. So which will also cover the hands-on projects and labs. So you will learn technologies and tools such as Ollama, ChromaDB, Python, security tools while building practical solutions that can be applied in real-world environments. In addition to free YouTube content, we also offer instructor-led training programs for colleges, freshers, professionals, and corporate teams. Our training programs focuses on practical labs, real-world projects, industry use cases, AI security fundamentals, and generative AI applications. Whether you are starting your journey or looking to upskill in the rapidly growing AI and cybersecurity domains, our goal is to provide practical knowledge that helps you learn, build, and grow. Explore our playlist, subscribe to the channel, and join our learning community. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.